As you can see today, I'm not wearing any makeup, and there's a really good reason for that. I just thought to myself, I have to come here and show you the reason why it is really important for you to take care of your skin, so you can always look elegant and sophisticated. Let me just do this so you can see what I mean. And I'll also rub my skin so you can see. Just going to go closer so you can really see that there's nothing on my face. Disclaimer, the only thing that I've done is I have put some mascara on and I have groomed my brows. That's literally it. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. My name is Esnet and I am the owner of this channel. I pop here twice a week. I'm still trying to get the hang of it, and very soon we will have 2 established days. I used to post on a Tuesday and Wednesday, but at the moment I'm trying it randomly until I am set on the days that actually work for me. So the skincare products that I'm talking about. Before I get into anything, I just wanted to show you the outfit that I'm wearing today, because I know a lot of you can be curious. I know when I'm watching YouTubers, I can be very curious of what they're wearing, where they got it from. Everything that I'm wearing today is old. The skirt that I'm wearing is from Mango, and I'm just at home not doing much. I've paired it with a belt and a white t-shirt. It's a very simple t-shirt, even though it's Versace, and again it's an old one. Preferably I would have liked this pink here not to be there, but that was what was at hand, and I'm not doing much today. I'm just at home and running some errands, so I thought this would be a nice chic outfit to wear at home without going too over the top. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the skincare products that I was going to tell you about. You only need really 3 skincare products that are really going to change your skin for good. As long as you're consistent with this and you do it all the time, you use them as instructed and make sure that you're doing it twice a day, you will have clear skin and you will have a lot less to worry about when it comes to putting together your look, especially when it comes to your face. Most of us don't have the time to sit down and wear loads of makeup to cover up dark spots and the like. So this is a tip that I'm sure is going to be very useful to sophisticated lady out there. The first thing that you're going to need is vitamin C. Vitamin C is what is going to help with things like hyperpigmentation. It helps with anti-aging, and it also helps fight the effects of UV rays and environmental damage on your skin, really. So what vitamin C is going to do is going to brighten your skin, is going to even your skin tone. So once your skin is brighter, that means the dark spots and the aging spots are not going to be as visible. That means you can actually take advantage of that and go around without having to wear any makeup. The vitamin C that I find works perfectly is the one that contains an ingredient called ascorbic acid. There's some other vitamin C's that are on the market at the moment which work perfectly, but I cannot attest to them because I've not tried them. I've only heard it from other people. But the one that I'm talking about, which uses ascorbic acid, is a little bit on the abrasive side, I want to say. So if you have sensitive skin, this might not work for you. You might need to go and do a little bit more research so you can find a vitamin C type product that works for you. But the first thing you need is a vitamin C product. The second thing that you need, that you would use, especially if you're a beginner, you would use this at night, is a retinol type product. If you do not have retinol or you're sensitive to retinol, just use the retinol alternative, which is called Bakcholi. The Inculist does one, a very good one that I'm just going to show you over here, and I'm also going to put pictures, cutaways if I can. You can also use this. Be very consistent, and the good thing about using the retinol alternative is it is not irritating. It's actually really good for most skin types, and pretty much everybody can use it, and you don't have to worry as much about peeling and stuff like that, which can happen sometimes if you're using retinol. So I would say if you're starting off with retinol, start off very gently and very lightly, a lower percentage probably, and then work your way up, and maybe just be using it 2 to 3 times a week, and then work your way up as well. You will definitely see that your skin is changing. The other thing that we do not forget and we should always be wearing is sunscreen. Sunscreen is so important. Out of everything that I've said, nothing is as good as sunscreen. You might as well stop using everything else and just use sunscreen and see the difference that is going to be in your skin in 6 months. But used in combination with the two products that I've just mentioned, you're going to see real changes in your skin. So pick a sunscreen that works for you. They are mineral sunscreens. They are mineral sunscreens, and they are also chemical sunscreens. If you go out there and do your research, or if you want me to talk in depth about mineral sunscreens and chemical sunscreens, let me know in the comments below and I will do a dedicated video. So what will happen with the sunscreen is it's going to protect the hard work that you've put in, so that you don't go out and the weather doesn't inflict those dark spots that you are trying to get rid of. Fast forward the aging process that we are trying to slow down as much as possible. We all know that we are trying to slow down the aging process, right? I know I am, even though I am happy to embrace aging gracefully. So that's all I'm here to say today. It's literally about these 2-3 products that you really are supposed to be using, and after that we can get into things like exfoliation later. Exfoliation is important, but you need to build your skincare routine gradually. If you use too many actives at the same time, your skin will get inflamed, and once inflammation happens, it creates areas of hyperpigmentation, because that swelling will go down. Once it goes down, you will start to see dark patches as the area starts to heal, and this is the thing that we are trying to get rid of. Introduce small amounts. Introduce one product at a time until you get your routine to a T. So today we only spoke about vitamin C, retinol and sunscreen. Hopefully I'll see you again very soon and we'll be talking about other things. In the meantime, you can watch my other videos that I've done in this elegance journey that we're going through together. I'm just going to link it down below here, and don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep producing more of these videos. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you succeed in the journey of sophistication that we are going through together. I'll stop rambling and I will see you again very soon.